does technical analysis even work? That's the first question everybody asks when they come to crypto, and they want to invest in crypto. Like, they don't know how to buy and sell. They don't know when is good time to buy and sell. And then they see all these guys doing charts, and the first question they ask, like, does that even work? The meme lines you're drawing on the screen, do they work? You know, and I can understand that, because I asked the same question. I asked the very same question, like, do they work? Because I couldn't do anything about technical analysis, and I had to convince myself that they do actually work. Because how are you gonna buy and sell something? How are you gonna find out when is something gonna pump or when is something gonna dump? You can't. There are no like technicals. Sorry, there are no like fundamentals that are gonna tell you that this price is good time to buy and that price is good time to sell. So what we do is we do technical analysis, and in technical analysis, it's really hard to convince yourself. But there's some few things you can do. You know, you can start making drawing lines on the chart, and then you will see that support and resistances are really real in the charts, and the chart is respecting the resistance until the breakout, and it's beautiful. And you can do this. This is on the replay, but you can do this in real time. Once there are some kind of bottoms and tops formed, you can start drawing lines, and you will see the price is going up to the resistance, down to the support, and trading in that range. And that happens all the time. It's very natural patterns that are happening all the time. And that's why technical analysis is really important. But that's the only thing that can help you find the way into in the cryptocurrencies market, when you should buy, when you should sell, and stuff like that. So basically what you do is, when a shape is starting to form, like this over here, it goes up, it goes down, and once you got some kind of tops and some kind of bottoms, right, the first thing we do in technical analysis is we try to figure out what kind of pattern is being formed there. So right here you can see that this pattern is being formed because of lower highs and higher lows, right? And if you play that again, you can see that it's respecting the lines really well, all the way up and until the breakout lines, and once the lines are broken, it pumps really hard. So basically, technical analysis does work. It is a real thing. Lines are not meme lines. They are actually support and resistance where people are trading, traders are trading, getting money, and you that do not know technical analysis are losing money. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. We're doing today a Chainlink, man, Chainlink. It's been pumping like 20% today, and I got bad news for you. As actually, it's okay news. It's okay, not all bad, but it's okay news. But I think some correction is bound to happen, man. I'm gonna show you. So right now, what's happening here? We got higher high, higher high, low, higher low, higher low. So we are in actually some kind of uptrend up here. You can see like up, down, up, down. You got higher highs, right? And also you got higher lows. So it is an uptrend. So I'm trying to figure out what kind of pattern this is making, and let's look at the 1 hourly. No, let's look at this on the 4 hourly. And I think it's some kind of either broadening channel or just a normal channel, because you can see these stops over here are really well connected, and then the problem comes on the downside, because this looks like it's a broadening channel, right? It's expanding channel, and that means that the resistance is up here at around 28, and the support should be around today around 16, right? But it's somewhere around here. I'm gonna show you. So before we do that, let's go into the charts like always, so you can see more of the screen. So it looks like it's some kind of broadening channel, expanding channel, but it can also be just normal channel, something like this. Depends on how you draw it, but you know, it's hard to say, because this is it's only week down, you know, a long week down, and then it was keeping the upside, and then here fell down to the support, and here also support. So I'm leaning more toward it's an expanding channel, and this to me seems more natural trading channel right now for Chainlink. So basically you can see here when it was falling down here, it found to support at these stops over here, this trailing range. So if it falls below 18.1 or something like that, I would be really bearish, because then you get a lower low. Then this also becomes an expanding channel. If it starts falling right now down, this also becomes expanding channel, and that to me seems very bearish. Expanding channels in megaphone channels, higher highs, lower lows, it seems to me that it's what are you gonna call it, it's bearish. Also, I'm gonna show you right now that this is actually bearish right now for Link. I think it can go all the way up to 28, 29, hit the resistance, but I don't think we're gonna break it on this move. It's gonna come correction down, and that we can see on the RSI. We're gonna go to daily for this, so you can see it. Let me just zoom in a little bit over here, and you can see here that these stops over here are actually going down. It's not much, but it is going down. That means that the price, even though it's going higher, it cannot break higher, create higher highs on the RSI, meaning it's getting too tough to push the price higher up. Also right now this move up, even if it goes 28, 29, I don't think it can make a higher high on the RSI. So I think that's very bearish in the short term. You can also see it here. I think we can see this on the 4-hourly right here, when it was making a higher high here, but it was making a lower high on the RSI, and then we got this correction down over here. So I think something like that is actually bound to happen on the on Chainlink right over here, because on the daily we are having lower highs on the RSI while we are having higher highs on the price. And to me right now it seems like we are hitting some kind of tops. 28, 29, maybe we're gonna hit all the way up here, maybe not. I don't know how far this can go or what's gonna happen, but I'm expecting some kind of correction in the price, and then before we can go even higher up. Don't get me wrong, like my last Chainlink video said 32 is the target, and I'm still sticking with that. We are gonna get there one way or the other, but right now we're gonna have some correction in the short term. That's also expected, because we are also expecting the correction on the Bitcoin and everything else. So basically what I think that this lows over here at 18.1 should be able to hold the price. Should be able to hold the price, because I don't know why. I don't know why. Let's clean up the chart and see just what are some real supports that we have that big money is watching at. 18.8. So 18.8, that's on a weekly, monthly, that's all the way down 16. So, and daily is at top over here is at 90.4. Yeah, so I'll be watching the 18.7, 18.8 for the support. Basically, okay, so let's make the range then. Let's make the range. Let's say this range over here, the area is a support. If it falls below that and closes below that, we become bearish again. But the correction on the RSI, I think this would be enough around 18. That will be actually the target. Around 28, 29 upper target, just to hit the upper resistance, and that's it. I don't think we are gonna break the resistance right now or make go to 30 or something like that, but I think some kind of correction is in play. That said, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching. Be nice. Tomorrow new video. Subscribe to the channel if you wanna see more of these videos. If you if you liked it and stuff like that. Yeah. See you around, guys. See you around. Don't lose your money. Also, Bitcoin is going down 26. That's what we hope for. Yeah. Bye bye.